Please come and see.
You can come close.
Come closer.
Just to bed there. That's Senegalese jollof.
Yes. It's still
Let me just take a
That's enough fish so that
You can take a picture.
you need to hide this. It looks good, right?
It does.
And we're adding some cabbage too.
And all the fish cannot go in because of the size of the pot.
And it has to be in chunks like this. All of that has been big.
You take them out afterwards.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Water and seasoning. Green peppers. Whole.
Let's use some this one way. This is cool. Like this thing, what?
Let's just finish up with chicken. History Month edition of Jollof Rice combination. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, please ask. We're going to be checking our questions and we're going to be answering you. And also, if you have any inquiries, anything whatsoever, send us a message. We are here for you. We're here for you. And even if you have something to add to it, let's say you are in Senegal, like Gambia, or you have, oh, look at this. Oh, this is serious work. Oh, I've never eaten okra whole and cooked inside. Will it be slimy?
Kind of, but not really.
I'm looking at the audience and their faces are like.
Everybody expecting different things.
What's going to happen here? What are these people trying to give us to eat? We have looked at the engineering of the combination of this food properly, and you are rest assured that your tummy will not hurt you after. We are already saying we are going to all eat it too. It's hard. Please don't forget, pull out your phone and just take a quick picture and help us share it on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. Thank you.
That means you can actually talk recipe that.
Yes.
Nice sauce. I'm sure the Nigerians will say, yes, beautiful. Yeah, for we are settling this number today.
So this is the Ghana one.
This is the Ghana one. Their sauce is always quite dry compared to Jamaica. A little more moist. Yeah. No. So we did a measurement of how many rice to, like 4 cups of rice and each of them to what the sauce is with.
The mathematics have already been calculated before here. But if not, it will go above.
It will go above expectation. Oh wow. Get right into it.
You can see add more steam.
Yeah, you can see how it was too. Welcome.
Welcome, Mrs.
Thank you for
Welcome,
joining.
everyone. Oh my God. Thank God for this show. For 6 years, I've never seen money.
Okay.
6 years, I've never
We don't need water. It's perfect.
Just
This with foil. Do we have foil?
yeah, I'll find one.
Are we having more than one? Which one? Yeah, I'm pepper.
So we'll be adding just one more pepper to go with it.
Absolutely.
Innovative.
Innovative. Awesome.
For me, I think delicious.
Delicious. You've not tasted it. No, you're packaging.
It will be.
It will be delicious.
So yeah, it's a good fusion, right? So
Good. It will be delicious. And
For me, I thought I was going to taste Nigerian jollof, Ghana jollof, and Senegalese jollof rice.
separately.
Yes, separately. But I now realized that we'll still be at the war again. This one tastes better than that one.
I know.
But this just makes it sounds like, I mean, jollof rice is Africa. Let's not take away from that part.
Yes. Yes. And
Well, when I was coming here, I thought I was going to taste them differently. Jollof, Nigerian jollof, Senegalese and Ghanaian. But getting here, I saw that you guys were mixing them together, and I'll be so happy to taste them.
oh,
Yeah.
thank you. Thank you. Oh my God. Hey, this jollof better comes out good. Hello. So we're asking more questions around the table and just wanting to hear your thoughts and what you think about what we're doing, and just your thoughts randomly. So if you're open to talk, nice. If not, we can just pass.
No, you're not gonna pass us. So now we're wondering how Nigerian and Ghana and Senegalese food cooked in one pot. We actually want to know exactly how it's gonna taste. Like we are waiting, we can't wait. We can't wait to taste it, and we're looking forward to that. Because
We have to give it a name. It has to be a new name because
Yes.
it's a fusion of three different tastes.
Maybe New Africa.
Ah, you knew
African combo.
African jollof. African jollof. So we're giving you African jollof.
Well done.
That is like
Do you guys have anything to say? Are you looking forward to trying it? Well, that's say yes. Okay, so what do you guys think?
I don't really think anything.
You don't really think
But
anything?
since I tasted from like the vegetables and stuff, I feel like it tastes kind of tastes good.
Can you hear her? You need to be able to hear her. Can she repeat that? Can you repeat that again?
So since I tasted from the vegetables that were used to flavor jollof rice, I can tell it's going to taste kind of good. So
Thank you. I think you will too. What about you?
Well, I did not get to taste like any of the stuff that were put inside of the rice, but I think it will taste good.
So think it will taste good. Awesome. Thank you so much. We are also looking forward to it. I hope you can hear. I hope you will hear.
Everywhere.
Thank you so much for coming. We appreciate you. We prayed that everyone here today would come, and we're glad to have you here.
Thank you for the invite.
So we just want to hear from you in one word or in a sentence or in a paragraph what you think about this initiative.
I think it's beautiful. I think it's complementary. I think it shows that we work together because we're all daughters in the home. And so the Senegalese daughter, Ghanaian, and the Nigerian daughter, when the three daughters sit to cook for their family, can imagine what that is going to look like.
Yes,
So
yes.
I like that cooperation. with
It's
the
always the
daughters.
victories.
The
It's
three
always the
daughters
people.
working together.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So we are one.
Yeah, for
We
the
are
community.
one.
You're
Yes.
cooking for the community.
We are
I'm
one.
just excited.
African jollof to the world.
has been born.
Hello. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate you coming. We prayed that you'll be here today.
And the prayer was answered.
And our prayer was answered, so I'm very happy. In one word or in a sentence or in a whole paragraph, what do you think about this initiative?
I think it's pretty cool. I think like I heard Essie say something like diversity and inclusion in one pot.
Yes.
I think that's what it is actually, because I'm really looking forward to trying it, and I know it's going to taste very, very good.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very.
I believe so too. I believe so too. Oh God, we are crossing fingers.
Fingers.
And what about you, sir?
Anyway, yeah, I said it already.
Yeah, so everything you have said exactly as
it's
it
going to
is.
be awesome.
It's gonna be great. Thank you. Thank you
Don't
for
worry.
coming.
But yeah, you come.
I'm also surprised to see you so happy to
as they take picture and just saying it more like that. You like that. Don't stay sorry.
She's close. She can't get a good picture. You have to move back. You have to move back to get a good picture.
So she won't let this she won't miss
Maybe she can take us.
Ooh, I like your plate. Actually, take with you. Yeah. You get it?
wow, this rice is beautiful. Beautiful. Oh yeah, come.
So this style is what style? This one. Oh, they don't dice it.
The fish, that's how Senegal people would like make their fish, and that's how it's seasoned. They tell us that we should know how to.
So it's a scene,
There was no special anything.
so you intentionally let it dry. So maybe popcorn.
And
That is jollof.
Before the flavor in. I didn't come out at all. So.
You ever go see where people
Ah, please, so here I did it too.
In one word, how would you describe the food? Unique.
African.
How did you guys enjoy the food?
It was very good. I'm very full. Almost done. Very tasty. Unique. I love it. Collaborative teamwork.
How about you?
Oh, it was amazing.
How was the food? It was plenty.
You don't even have to say anything, just
Baby, take off your...
there we go.
The food is plenty.
Thanks. Can I ask you guys how you enjoyed the food?
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, it was nice.
It's good.
It was fire.